Chirpley CHRP is on fire. This is one of the best AI coin out there, and today I want us to look at this bad boy carefully. I want you guys to understand something about this coin that's gonna make it one of the top AI coin out there, and Binance and OKX listing is on the way. I'm gonna tell you guys why I think this is gonna happen soon. This 2024, or let's say early this 2023, or early, no, not early, late this 2023, that is next month, right? Or maybe early 2024. If say you are new here, this is the Bet on Crypto, a place where I create content to help you make money, cash in the crypto space. So if this sort of content interests you, you wanna go right now and subscribe, like, and share this content, guys. If say you are a Chirpley, all the Chirpleyans, or the Chirpicians, or the Chirpleyans, I don't know how to call it. You guys are awesome. I know most of you have watched some of my videos already about Chirpley. I've been talking about Chirpley like ever since, long time ago. And it's now that most people within my community are taking this bad boy serious. I don't want to talk so much. I just want us to go and look at what is going on in the community, and also what is going on their Twitter page, and also share with you guys how you can trade this coin on Bybit, because as of now, I think you can get this coin on MEX Global, Bybit. I don't know about the other exchanges, but the ones I use, is Bybit and MEX Global. So you can get the link below this video if say you want to trade Chirpley as well on this coin, on this platform. All right, now guys, look at Chirpley. I've talked about this coin, like long time ago, and now I'm on the 4 hours time frame. You can see the movement here with this coin. Let me go to the daily time frame so I can show you guys something here. You can see this coin has been respecting structure. One thing about my platform on my channel is I try to make my viewers to understand how they can follow the trend, how they can stay in the trend, and looking how they can stay in the trend by looking at market structure, because market structure is the key. If you understand market structure, then you'll be able to be in the trend as long as you can. Right now, looking at Chirpley in this stage, you can see here that Chirpley was making this downward movement, during the bear market, right? And Chirpley tried to make its way to the upside. This period was when Chirpley was launched, right? We can see the price skyrocketed to the upside. It went to the upside, and after that, price plunged downward, and it tried to make its way to the upside. It failed, and it makes its way back to the downside. Now you can see that price found a bottom here. There is a bottom here, and this bottom was previous is the previous low of the last the last move, the last high. After this last high, we saw price move right down to this area, and price tried to move to the upside. Price came back and retest that zone. Price didn't break that zone, meaning the next area we're going to see price go is price making higher highs, and exactly price have done that. Price have made higher highs on the daily time frame after coming to retest this zone here, this area here. So this was an area of interest, good support zone here, and now we saw that price break this resistance, because price tried to, last time it couldn't succeed, and now price have break this resistance, and now price is trading above, that zone. Now, where do we think price can move towards? Price can move towards around, let's say 0.011, or maybe 0.014. Yeah, I think that's the high that price can go. And can this coin go to the next all-time high? Yes, we can see the next all-time high for this coin, and I'm going to explain to you guys why I think we're going to see the next all-time high with Chirpley. And those of you who don't know what Chirpley is, I'm going to explain to you what this coin is and why you should be part of the community. No one is paying me to talk about it. I just like to talk about coins that I think, have potential. And I'm not saying to you guys to go and buy Chirpley, because tomorrow you will say the button said I should buy Chirpley. No, that's not what I'm trying to say to you guys. What I want you guys to understand about this coin is, this coin is a good coin and they have a good fundamentals. They have a good team. It's still new in the AI space. We know that AI is new and they are still building their platform. But I can say that the way at which they are building, the pace at which they are building is so awesome that I always love to follow and talk about the coin. Now guys, talking about structure, you can see here that I drew this trend line here, and if you understand what trend line is, then you will know that price will come and will at one point come and test this trend line. If say price break and started trading below this trend line, then we know Chirpley is becoming bearish. But if say price bounce, if price made a way to this trend line here and price bounce, it means that we are going to be seeing a continuation for the next all-time high. As of now, I think price is going to form somehow, to the upside, then make its way to this downside, before price can keep moving. Because price move like this, it moves in waves. It doesn't just move straight for to the upside. You can see here, it moves, it comes to retest, it moves, it comes to retest, it moves, it come to retest again. So that's how price moves. So when you see price, retesting this zone, think as if Chirpley is tumbling or is going downward. Of course, it's going downward, but it's gonna retest a zone where it is important zone and is healthy for the project. If say it's not for the investors, because the project doesn't depend on this to develop the platform, I think is good for investors. If you see price do like this, then you should be looking at ways to get in. Of course, guys, you can still get in here. If you say you are smart, you know how to buy, you know how to DCA, you know how to accumulate, then you can still get in at this price. Then you DCA until until it comes to this zone here where I mentioned. And if say price keep going down, you keep buying, because I think during this bear market, we're gonna see this coin go 100x. It can even 50x, 100x, 200x. Anything can happen with crypto, and we know AI is the talk of the day nowadays, and this coin is doing so well in the AI space. So I want to believe that somehow in the future there's going to be really good opportunities for those of you who are investing in the coin right now. And talking about some fundamentals with this coin, I want us to look like correlate this coin with Bitcoin. I always love to look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the alpha, and I trade all altcoins looking at Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is not doing well, I am not buying any altcoin. But if say Bitcoin is doing well, I'm buying altcoin. And you can see here, this is the 4 hours time frame for Bitcoin. And looking at structure, you can see here that Bitcoin is respecting structure, is making this move here and moving, making higher lows. And right now we are at a point where I think Bitcoin can move towards, let's say towards 40,000 or 41,000 or 38,000, let's say. And if that happens, then Chirpley also is going to make a huge move. Look at this level. I mentioned to you guys that the next level we can see Chirpley go to is around this 0.014. And if say you have been invested in this coin, you know when this coin want to pump. It can take a day and pump about 100% or 50%, right? So you can be accumulating this bad boy, is okay. And looking at this, I want you guys to realize that they are active, on Twitter. This is their Twitter. They have 62.6k followers, on Twitter, and it's really cool. And one thing that I noticed here is that CZ of Binance is following Chirpley. You can see CZ is following Chirpley. Wow, that is awesome. Meaning CZ loves something about this project. right? There's something about this project that CZ love. Guys, at this point in time, we are seeing some movement in the market. Let me see. Bitcoin, we are seeing some movement with Bitcoin. Let's see quickly what's going on with BTC. There's this quick dip here with Bitcoin on the lower time frame. Let me see. Yeah, you can see there's this quick dip here with Bitcoin, and I think it came to retest this 200-day moving average. Yeah, if you have been following my platform, then you understand that this area is an important area. And if say price hold, Bitcoin hold at that area, then you're gonna see a retracement back to the upside. But I think the retracement is gonna hold at this zone. But this is a lower time frame. If we go to the higher time frame, it's as if nothing is happening. You can see here on the 4 hours time frame. So guys, don't panic a lot when you see price on those higher and lower time frame making those moves. Go back to the higher time frame, zoom out to see what price is doing. Now going back to Chirpley, let's see if the Chirpley also is making big move, because I told you guys that Chirpley go along with Bitcoin. Let's see if Chirpley is doing the same thing as Bitcoin. You can see, yeah, Chirpley is in a downward trend, on the lower time frame, but after this huge spike to the upside, and price is coming back to retest this 200-day moving average. This white moving average is 200-day moving average. No, sorry, it's 20-day moving average, and the red in the middle here is 200-day moving average. So this white is 20-day moving average, and the red in the middle is 200-day moving average. So with Bitcoin, I think price is coming to test the 20-day moving average. Yeah, that's the 20-day moving average with Bitcoin. No, sorry, this is a different chart. On this chart, this white moving average represents 200-day moving average. Okay, yeah. Sorry guys for that mix up, but that's how it is. When price get to the moving average, it always tend to react swiftly. Now, going back to CZ, CZ is following by Chirpley. Chirpley is a good coin. If CZ is following a coin like that, it means CZ have seen that the community is, awesome. And if you go to the followers of who CZ is following, CZ is not following many people. It's following only 1,756 people. Look at this, 8.7 million followers, and he is following Chirpley, meaning that Chirpley, there's something about Chirpley that CZ have seen, and that's the reason why CZ is looking at this bad boy. So guys, this is it for Chirpley. I think that when you look at the macro level, the macro perspective of this coin, I would say that they are here providing awesome solution for young creators. They are all about helping young creators to be able to be outstanding in this brutal social media space. They are young creators who don't have much following. Like my platform, I'm still a young creators. Chirpley is helping people like us to be able to be outstanding in this industry, to be able to promote our content, do what we love to do and make some cash alongside. So make sure you check out Chirpley. Let's see if we can get to the website of Chirpley so you guys can see. Let me go back so I can see the website of Chirpley so you guys can get to read more about what you're doing. And if you haven't yet joined the Telegram, you can join the Telegram also, but you can get more info about this coin on Twitter, and also you can read more about the coin on their website. So this is their website, Chirpley. You can see their vision and mission, what they are all about. You can read everything, go down here, and you can see it says small influencer are not alone anymore. Look at the small influencer of this world. So much to give, so much to share, but so little help to make the most of it. No one there is no one there to pave their way to success. Existing platforms lacking the technology to help them grow. Time to break down all barriers between them and the marketing community. So as I mentioned, they are out there to help small influencers, small developers, or small content creators, to be outstanding in this competitive industry, the marketing industry. When they create content, they want them to be able to make something out of their content. So this is it about Chirpley. Hopefully this content about Chirpley was helpful to you. If you want me to keep creating more of Chirpley videos. If you love the technical analysis that I did and want me to keep doing more technical analysis for Chirpley, then you want to go and smash the subscribe button, like this content, because when you do like the content, it helps my platform reach out to more people. And if say you want to be part of my community, there's a link below this video, at the description of this video. Go there and join my Telegram group. And if say you want to learn how I go about trading, making profit in the crypto space, then feel free to be part of my Patreon. All the links are found below this video. If say you want to get things easier, you want to get to the different section that I offer, my services or my the stuff I do, then you can go to my link tree. On my link tree, you can see all the things I do, and you can also book 30 minutes with me. We can have, like, it's free, it's 30 minutes with me, and we can have a conversation on how to go about helping you, be successful in this space. The bull market is coming, and you want to be ready, having the right coins in your bag, in your portfolio, to be able to make you massive rewards. So make sure you do just that. All right, guys, until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.